Mexican bean and corn chimichangas. Generally chimichangas are deep fried, but we'll be baking them instead. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that so that you don't miss any videos, and let's get started. First, we'll make the stuffing for our chimichangas. For this I have heated some oil in a pan. Now I am adding onions to it. Stir them and let them cook on a medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes till they get a little translucent. Our onions are cooked. Now I'm adding boiled kidney beans. Stir them in and mash them a little with the back of your spoon or a potato masher. Now I'm adding sweet corn kernels, tomato, and half cup salsa. Mix it all well. Add a little bit of red chili powder and salt to taste. Now give it a mix and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now it's been cooking for 5 minutes. I'm adding fresh coriander. Stir it in and let it cook for another 2 minutes, and then we'll start preparing our chimichangas. Now we'll start assembling our chimichangas. Here I have taken a slightly cooked tortilla. I'm putting a generous amount of my bean and corn stuffing. Just put the stuffing in the center and fold it like this. We'll make rectangular pockets like this. Once they are ready, we'll place them in a baking tray seam side down and spray some cooking oil. Now we'll bake them in a preheated oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes or until they get golden brown. Our chimichangas are out of the oven and ready to serve. We'll top it with shredded cheese, and some salsa. These crispy chimichangas are ready to serve. These baked chimichangas are as crisp and delicious as the deep fried ones, but without all the oil. Enjoy these with your friends and family, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Have fun, bye!